Hey, we are making shawarma today. I just got back from the gym. Also food content I just see on my page. Let's try HILDA BACI.
Disastrous shawarma.
Now, hold on. She said shawarma. I haven't had shawarma in 4 years. Mayonnaise, garlic, ginger, spicy chili pepper, lemon, whipped cream. Ooh, heavy.
Mix everything. Mix it. Mix. Kai. Listen to HILDA's soothing voice. Don't mind how it's difficult though. So I'm gonna add my mix to my already sliced vegetables. I'm on the frying pan as well. Now this one, show me pepper. Wait, mistake. Disaster. Who sent me come this kitchen now? All I see is disaster. Disastrous shawarma. Hey! Attempt number 2. Another disaster.
Hey, wahala.
Attempt number 3. Obonge disaster. Just look at that. What a disastrous shawarma.
Shawarma! Next time I buy outside.
Damn. Somebody say, damn, baby. That's massive. That's massive, baby.
It's a banger. Shawarma. Warm.
Let's go, Shay. See his mouth. Now, wow. How does it look? Okay.
No. Are you sure?
So the meat is actually spicy. Not like I like the spice. It's not boring like normal shawarma.
Oh yeah? Bye.
I'm gonna buy.
There you have it. Shawarma. The shawarma recipe is a banger.
So make sure to subscribe to this channel, make sure to like, make sure to drop a comment, and make sure to share this video. Thank you for watching, and also remember to turn on your notification button so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch it. Thank you for watching once again.